Welcome back to India Market Close, and of course we are looking at the geopolitical tensions that has been also going up, and because of that the Brent crude prices that has also seen a significant up move. Just to decode this move and what lies ahead, we are joined in by Jateen Trivedi. He's the VP Research Analyst of Commodity and Currency at LKP Securities. Good afternoon and thank you for waiting. Jateen, the question is the Brent crude that went up 4% overnight near that $70 per barrel mark on Iran and US tensions. How do you see this development and what are the key levels to watch out for?
See, whenever there is this geopolitical tensions across borders between major of the countries, just like 2020, and we had seen the crude oil, spiking up rapidly. So there are some initial, hints that the crude oil prices will shoot up. So as of now, there is no such confirmation of anything, breaking out between the US and Iran. But whenever it does, then definitely the prices are going to shoot up by 10 to 12% easily. So right now, the prices that we are looking at is around, support of around 68 to $67 into the Brent prices and 60 to 63 on the WTI price. On the extended side of resistance, so what we are tracking is around 68 for WTI on the higher side and 74 to 75 for the Brent. On the MCX, if we look at the same, then we can easily target around 62 to 6300 on the higher side, which is around 6000 right now. See, the developments are definitely on the significant side, which is also reacting negatively for the riskier other assets against the crude oil prices like the equities and the overall currency market. Now, the benefited parts will be the gold and silver prices, and the crude oil prices are reflecting the rising tensions between the US and Iran. If and all that does plan out into that war like situation, then definitely the crude oil prices, as I said, can jump up around 10 to 12%.
Okay. So overall, Jateen, what is the kind of timeline that you're looking at for this kind of a price range?
See, the last time something like this, which happened in 2021 between the Russia-Ukraine, it was a rapid, rally in the span of like within 1 or 2 weeks, where the crude oil prices, jumped more than 10 to 15%. So that is a case. Whenever this happens, I cannot judge about the moves that the US will take. But if and all that does happen, then definitely the prices will jump up more than 10 to 12% within a fortnight or so.
Okay. And apart from this, in terms of a stable range, what should that look like in case stability comes in on the geopolitical front?
If and all that happens, that the easing tension comes between the two of the sides of US Iran from either of the side, then definitely the prices will price in this effect of positivity, and it might stabilize below 5600, 5700 odd zones in our MCX prices, and on WTI it will reverse it back to around 62, 61 zones, and on the Brent easily around 66, 65. So this rally of 5 to 4 to 5% recently that we have seen in the last 24 to 48 hours, that is on the back of rising tensions. So if and all that does not escalate, then it will erode all the gains that it has registered in the last 48 hours.
Thanks a lot, Jatin, for taking out your time and giving us the entire picture of this commodity space. Rajesh, I want to get you